In today's video, I'm going to give you 10 products that you should sell on your store right now. Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Trends. Our channel is all about product research and helping you find winning products to sell on your Shopify store. To have a successful online store, spotting winning products before anyone else is a vital skill. We, at Everyday Trends, do this for you. So all you have to do is watch our videos. Stay tuned and keep watching till the end. One of these products is a banger. Don't forget to smash the like button. Our first product is for those who are tired of their boring blankets. The Burrito Wrap Blanket. It's handcrafted with high-quality materials that are sure to last. Just like an actual burrito, these specialty blankets help you stay warm and toasty all year long. It has 4.7 stars on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. Similar products were big winners before on the market. Who doesn't want to stay warm and look like a burrito at the same time? Your customers will love this. You could sell this for $29.95, while the product costs only $9.69. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $20.26. Wait until you see product number 1. It's my personal favorite. Have you ever experienced tripping on the support ropes of your tent at night? Then this product is for you, the glow-in-the-dark rope. This glow-in-the-dark tent rope can be used to tie your tent down and lets you see when it's dark. Perfect for campers or festival goers who are also clumsy drunks. It has 5 stars and not yet a lot of orders on AliExpress. This product is unique and unsaturated, so you can take advantage of this. You can drink as much booze as you want on your next trip and not worry about tripping. How cool is that? You could sell this for $31.95, while the product costs only $4.38. Shipping is free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $27.57. The next product is perfect for women who love jewelry. The Zircon Stone Bracelet. It's a handcrafted, silver-plated bracelet that features the Tree of Life design with top-quality zircon stone. It's styled as a filigree, it's adjustable, and promises a happy future. It has good reviews on AliExpress, 4.8 stars, and not yet a lot of orders. It's also getting more popular in the Google search engine. This is the perfect gift for your girl, except for those afraid of commitment. You could sell this for $29.95, while the product costs only $2.49, and shipping is 64 cents, so you're looking at a great profit margin of $26.82. The next product is for those who want to keep warm and stylish this winter. The Luxe Turtleneck. It's made from cotton, and it's a great wardrobe staple. The details to this top are sleek with incredibly fashionable ribs. It has 4.7 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. You can never go wrong with a good turtleneck. Who doesn't want to look gorgeous and warm at the same time? You could sell this for $24.99, while the product costs only $9.25. Shipping cost is free, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $15.74. This product is for people who love candles. The rechargeable LED glitter handle. This mesmerizing candle creates a dazzling festive feature. The glitters change colors while the LED light illuminates them. It has a whopping 5-star review on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. This product has a wow effect, so you can take advantage and sell it now. Why get regular LED candles when you can get one as cool as you? You could sell this for $39.99, while the product costs only $20.64. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $19.35. The next product is for the sushi lovers out there. The DIY Sushi Maker. Satisfy your cravings for sushi by making your own with this sushi toolset. The Sushi Maker allows you to create sushi rolls easily and conveniently. This product has 4.7 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. Now you can enjoy top-shelf sushi even if you can't go to a Japanese restaurant. You could sell this for $24.95, with the product costs only $14.40. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $10.55. The next product is for those who want to level up their chargers. The Smart Wireless Charger and Phone Holder. Its sleek varicose arm automatically opens up to clamp a mobile phone. The integrated pure copper coils can increase charging speed by 60%. It's got a 4.7-star rating on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. It's also getting more popular on Google Trends, so you can take advantage of this. Everyone needs a reliable car charger, and this one takes the cake. You could sell this for $21.99, while the product costs only $13.98. Shipping is $3.16, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $4.85. This product is for those who want to add comfort and softness to their homes. The Soft Shaggy Carpet. It helps protect the surface of the floor and give it a cozy feeling. The bottom is evenly distributed with non-slip spots. It has solid reviews on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. This carpet is very attractive and will appeal to any homeowner, so we think it would do great on a home niche store. You could sell this for $49.99, while the product costs only $3.99. Shipping is $6.32, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $39.68. The next product is for drinkers or bar owners, the Bourbon Whiskey Barrel Shelf. Display your bourbon or whiskey collection on this shelf, made entirely from whiskey bourbon barrel heads. The shelf is finished in polyurethane to accent the beauty of the barrel oak. It has no orders yet on AliExpress, so you can be the pioneer. This product is unique and untapped, so you can take advantage of this. A good bottle of bourbon or whiskey deserves a pretty shelf. You could sell this for $49.95, while the product costs only $13.08. Shipping is 11 cents, so you're looking at a solid profit margin of $36.76. Last but not the least, this product is especially for those who love sunsets. The Sunset Projection Lamp. The projection floor lamp can provide a beautiful sunset scene. The further the distance, the larger the projection of sunset light onto the wall or ceiling. This product has 4.9 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. It has a big wow effect, so you can take advantage of this. Now you know why I saved this for last. It's a perfect product for at-home date nights and sexy time. You could sell this for $36.99, while the product costs only $12.09. Shipping is free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $24.90. So that's our top 10 winning products for today. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below and let's chat about it. Smash the thumbs up button if you got value from this, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you're always ahead of the game.